Hello and welcome to another quick update video about Coti. I talked about Coti before, which is a decentralized payment system based on the Cardano ecosystem. And it is very likely that we're going to attempt another breakout of this 40 cent level very soon. I mean, I've been making videos for the last couple of days on Coti. Talked about Coti when we were down here at some point. 13 cents, I think. That was a really good time to buy. People are asking, is it too late now? To be honest, I can't answer that. Not financial advice. It all depends on your investment horizon and everything. But I'm buying because I invest long term anyway. But I also think that we're going to do another attempt of this 40 cent level very soon. And if we break through that, we can definitely get to the all-time high, which is 45 to 50 cent in the next run. And if we get through the all-time high, I mean, I think like the sky is the limit. There isn't really a lot coming then. So let's see. What we're currently forming here on the daily is a huge cup and handle. So we've got that cup shape here, which is bullish, and the handle currently. We're currently in the formation of the handle. We're about to complete that formation of the handle. You can see that we already attempted a breakout here of 40 cent. We dropped off. We attempted another breakout. Didn't manage to get through. And that is what we saw with Bitcoin, and it's now broken out of the above the 50,500. So we've seen that. We've seen that with other cryptos. We've seen that with Algorand. We are making higher lows, and we are getting closer to this horizontal resistance line. Whenever you get a horizontal line, that is very good to trade. It's very clear on the chart. So we see higher lows. We made attempts to break out, didn't manage to get there, but we can't pull away from that level anymore. So you can see the lows getting higher and higher, and the sellers are really weak. We can't really see any red candles here anymore in that upward movement, just a very small one. That trend line is still valid, just going up here. And in the next, it can't take more than a few days. We'll do another breakout attempt, but that could be imminent. We're getting squeezed into this apex between that 40 cent line, or 39 to be very accurate. It's not very clear to put onto the chart. Probably more like 40. But this is the daily, so we have more clarity when we go down to the 4-hour and the hourly chart. But what is important, we're going to do another breakout attempt. And what we can clearly see, the green candles are getting bigger actually. You can see that from down here, the green candles are getting bigger. We're gaining momentum. We've got support here of these moving averages, and it's just looking so bullish. We're really in this ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern as well. We're in a cup and handle shape. So that's why I bought some more yesterday, and I'm investing in the long term anyway. But it's looking all from a chart point of view. It's looking so bullish, and even though in the daily we are sort of in the red at the moment on the MACD, I think we are going to make a bullish crossover here again very soon. And I say that because it is looking more bullish on the shorter term, on the 4-hour. See that we dropped off this, nearly getting into the red territory, but with the current upward movement, I think we actually will get back up. So that you can see that later on the daily as well. And the MACD, the RSI is going up as well, which is good in an uptrend, clearly showing that. And we can already see here on the hourly that we try to get into the red zone on the MACD, but we're sort of getting now back into the green zone on the histogram. And we have made another bullish crossover here on the hourly. So you will later see that on the 4-hour and then the daily as well, if that uptrend continues. And the good thing is here on the hourly, we are getting back above the 50 on the RSI. So we're getting back into bullish territory. So if we take a closer look here on the hourly, what we're actually doing, you can really see that we're getting squeezed into this range here, and we're just, here actually on the hourly we have a very clear micro ascending triangle. So you've got a horizontal support line here, a resistance line here, and then an ascending support line. So there will be something happening in the next few hours, because we are getting squeezed into this apex here. And then from here, we might attempt the breakout to 40 cents. Right, that's pretty much everything. Quick summary. Let me know what you think. I'm extremely bullish on Coti at the moment, especially from a you know, fundamentally anyway, and I talked about that in previous videos, but from a technical side of things as well, I think it's sort of decoupled itself a little bit from Cardano anyway. I think it's doing its own thing. Of course, there are relations, but this is very clear. We've got a horizontal line here, which we don't have on the Cardano chart, and we see these ascending triangles, which we also don't see with Cardano at the moment. I think this is even looking more bullish than Cardano on the chart at the moment. Right, so quick update that was. Hope you liked it. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.